Hello and welcome back to Origami Treasure. I'm your host Dane, and today I'm gonna be showing you how you can make some 3D drawings. Yes, like floating objects, a pop-up staircase, but on a plain sheet. Yes. So let us jump and wait. Okay, somewhere else too. So let us jump right in. This is also one of the drawings I made. This is a 3D etch that gives the effect that it's actually standing in air. As you can see right there. If you look closely, you can see that it's actually standing in air. I'm gonna be showing how you can make that in a future video of mine. Moving on to my next 3D drawing. And this is also one of my 3D drawings. In this, I have made a 3D floating in the air for. Yeah, and that there is a shadow, and this is also one of the drawings which I'm gonna be teaching you in a future video of mine. So stay tuned, and moving on to my next. Right now, this here is a 3D ladder that gives the effect that is actually in air standing up. This is a famous 3D drawing. You must have even seen it in another image on the net. But yeah, I'm gonna be teaching it also in one of my future videos. And yeah, and moving on to the drawing which we are going to make. Alright, so this is a drawing that we're going to learn to make today. And it actually gives, the staircase gives the effect that it's in air. Yeah? Okay, these are some fun drawing illusions that I'm gonna teach you right now. Right, so let us start with our sheet, ruler, and pencil. First, in the center, make a line of 8 centimeters, okay? Which should be straight. Perfectly straight. 8 centimeters, okay? Yeah, there we go, an 8 centimeter line. Which is in the center and is straight. And now we're gonna tilt 9 centimeters. Yes, and then we tilt a bit, a line of 8.8 centimeters exactly. 8.8, okay? I would suggest that this tilted line comes till the end of your sheet. That would give a much better look, okay? And that would also make it a bit easier for us in the future. And now, just parallel to this one, okay, right there. I'll just make it parallel. We need to put a line over here till the end of the sheet, okay? Right? Yeah, till the end of the sheet. Okay? And when you reach the end of the sheet, just make sure these two lines are parallel, okay? Yeah? And then from this point over here, we need to cut a line of 3.5 centimeters, okay, and which should be parallel to this line over here. 3.5. Yeah, so this what we're making right now is the base of our staircase, okay? And yeah, so even a tilted line can make the staircase look flat on the sheet, okay? So now what line we're gonna make over here should be parallel to this line. Exactly straight, okay? And we're gonna cut through a line of 6 centimeters, okay? A 6 centimeter line right there. It should be parallel to this line. And then we're gonna cut a line of 7 centimeters, which should be parallel to this one, okay? 7 centimeters. Right there. Okay, that was 7 centimeters. And now, from here, we bring this line to a point about, say, over here, okay? And remember, they should be parallel to each other. Completely parallel, okay? Yeah, say about till there. And then we want to sketch a line which should be parallel to this line, till about here. Not completely till the end, say here, okay? Yeah. And just measure this part, it is 1 centimeter. And so even 1 centimeter over here, yeah? So, and then you're not gonna sketch out the line over here. Now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna make a line over here. Right there. Yeah? And then, now is our part of making the staircase. Okay? So, just like that. Right there. I'm gonna start the staircase. Now watch closely. This line first comes at 1 centimeter. Okay? Which should be parallel to this line. Remember? 1 centimeter. 1. And then a 2 centimeter. Which should be parallel to this line over here. 2 centimeter. Right there. Then 1. And then 2. And then 1. And then 2. Then 1. And then 2. Right now, as you can see, we've reached this point, but this line is not meeting there. Do not worry. You can even extend it till there. There's no harm in that. I'm just gonna go ahead and erase it. There. And I'm gonna extend it right about there to come and meet right over there. Okay? And if you go through this error, just don't worry, don't start erasing all what you've made with your hard work. Just correct these 2 lines and it'll be fine. And you will also be needing to correct this line then, right till here as it meets, okay? Right there. Okay? Rest part can be cut. Over here, I'll just draw a line there not to cut it, right? Right there, okay? Yeah, and we'll just cut this part out. And so this is our basic, and we'll just draw a line. Right, and now come into this part. Again, should be parallel to the side. Mark you there, okay? And we'll just draw the line here, and then 6.5 will come about here. And this is also a 2 centimeter, as you can see. And a 1 would be coming here, right? So we'll just measure it. 6.5. Oh yes. Okay. Right about there. And then another 6.5 there. Hold on, just right there. Okay. Yeah, and another 2 will be fitting perfectly over there. And then 1. 6.5, okay. Yeah, and a 2 centimeter. Right there. Okay, and a 1 centimeter, and 6.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters. Okay, yeah, we'll just, okay. Coming on to the final step on the staircase. Just put it right about there. Okay, so now is a step where we can actually balance this. Yeah. Right. I'll just draw this line to about here, and I'll connect that there. parallel. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna be starting with a 2B pencil, and I'm gonna go ahead and shade all this part right there and that part too. And this is the 2B one. Now I'm using 6B pencils, okay? The 6B shade of the shading pencils, and that too is 6B. And with the for the shadow, I'm just making a rough sketch with a 2B pencil. I'm gonna erase all the smudges now. And yeah, and I'm gonna level them all with a cotton bud now. Remember, you use different cotton buds for different shades of pencils, okay? Yeah? So yeah, and I'm just gonna go erase all the other smudges. And then the shadow, and it was a rough sketch like I told you, and I'm just gonna sharpen it up, and I'm erasing all the smudges right now. Okay, yeah, and I'm just gonna sharpen them up a little, and I'm erasing it. Right there, you can just erase it. Okay, right, and then we'll just make it perfect from over here too. Okay, like that. Now, the estimate that you had made with your shadow, the rough line that you had made, we're just, oops, by mistake I just erased the important part of it. I'll just put it back again. Okay, yeah. Now we can erase this part from here. Tilted. Just a second. Right, like that. You want to make it a slanting way, okay? And then you want it to come straight along like that. Okay, straight like that. Hold on, it's not. Like that. See, now it's straight, and okay, right there. You can just give it like that. Okay, right there, and this part. Right, our drawing is almost complete now. Okay. Right there. Okay. Now, we'll just pull a line from about here. Again, remember it's straight like that. And one line from here. Remember, this line that you're gonna be pulling should be after the shadow ends, okay? Oh yeah, like that. And should also, again, be straight. And now we're gonna take our pair of scissors and we're gonna cut these lines. Okay, yeah, cut. Right, so our paper is cut, and now, as you can see, I'll just clear up the smudges a bit, right about to there. Yeah. Now, yeah, right there now. If you can see, the effect should be able to come. Okay, I'll just make the angle just a second, guys. Right there, as you can see, so this drawing was like this, right? So now you want to bring your audience to tilt, and you want to tilt the paper a bit. Now, yeah, that is the way how this effect works. And yeah, you can just show them that, okay, you think this is an air, I'll just prove it through a wave. Yeah, a wave like that right there. So that is how you make the 3D staircase. And now in my next video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a 3D etch. Right about there. Yeah? Also an illusion trick, which I'm gonna be teaching you in my next video. So stay tuned. And okay, so that is it for this video. And if you want to see more of my 3D drawings and how I make them, stay tuned to the channel and just click the subscribe icon and also the bell icon that appears after it, so that you keep receiving more and more updates from us. And also, if you liked what I made today, just don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and also comment down how you liked the drawing and how it went when you drew it and you showed it to your family and friends. Just comment it down, yeah, and also share it with a friend whom you think like it as well. Thank you, and bye-bye. And this is it for this video, and I'm gonna be showing you how to make a 3D H in the next video. A 3D H, okay? Coming up in the next video. So bye-bye. See you later.